and the sweets were covered with an old newspaper. While we were eating, my eyes fell on that paper. I started reading it carefully. There was once a poor boy born into a poor family. In his house, everyone believed
Why?
the same thing.
Poor people are meant to remain poor.
Why think too much? Why dream of a better life? Just do what your parents did, and live the same way. This mindset had been passed down for generations. No one in the family ever thought about changing their lifestyle. No one ever dreamed of a better future. They accepted life the way it was, without questions. The boy also believed this, at first. One evening, while sitting alone in his small house, one of his family members brought food wrapped in an old newspaper. After eating, the boy looked at the newspaper carefully. Something inside him changed. Instead of throwing it away, he folded the paper neatly and placed it inside a small, broken box in his room. From that day, his life slowly began to change. He started waking up early every morning. He helped his father in the small vegetable garden behind their kitchen. He watered the plants, cleaned the soil, and worked silently. Then he studied. His father, mother, and elder brother were surprised. They wondered, what has happened to him? He prayed quietly every morning. He studied seriously. He helped his father. And he started going to school regularly. Every day, he read it carefully at night. And every day, he kept it safely in his small broken box. Time passed. The final exams came. The boy worked hard. When the results were announced, he scored good marks in every subject. At the same time, the vegetable garden began to grow well. They had more vegetables than before. The boy took them to the market, sold them, and earned money. He gave the money to his mother. He bought better clothes for his family members. Slowly, their life began to improve. One day, his parents asked him, "You have become very mature. Your habits, your thinking, your lifestyle."
You have become very mature. Your habits, thinking, your lifestyle is the reason behind this.
The boy
I have
replied
big
calmly,
dreams. I want to buy land one day. I want to build good houses. I want to buy a car. And I want to give good clothes and a better life to all of you.
We never thought like this. We were born poor, so we lived like this. Why are you thinking differently?
"I was also like you," the boy said. Then he added slowly, "When I was studying in the 9th standard, one
This is
day
for
Uncle
you.
came to our house.
I hope it brings you
He brought us some
happiness.
sweets, and the sweets were covered with an old newspaper. While we were eating, my eyes fell on that paper. I started reading it carefully. On that paper, there was a column written about Sri Krishna's Vibhuti, the divine manifestations.
Bhagavad Gita chapter 10 verse 30. He stopped for a moment, then continued. The writer explained it so beautifully. It said that Krishna reveals himself through greatness in this world. Among birds, he is Garuda, supreme strength and freedom. Among elephants, he is Airavata, majesty and leadership. Among demons, he is Prahlada, purity and devotion despite darkness. The deep life lessons behind Vibhuti. Krishna is not listing names for worship only. He is training the human mind. The lesson is this: do not focus on weakness. Do not glorify limitations. Recognize and move toward excellence. If Garuda is the best among birds, then be the Garuda of your own field. If Prahlada could rise in a demon family, then your background can stop your growth. The boy looked at his parents and said softly, "When I read that, something changed inside me. I understood that greatness is not decided by where we are born, but by what we become." Krishna's Vibhuti teaching tells us, your birth does not define you. Your situation does not control you. Your actions and mindset create your future. If you like this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.